Okay guys, so I'm back. I was going to film a time-lapse video, but after doing my foundation routine, but I kind of want to do the peach ring look that I did in my no makeup or my take out my makeup for views video. So I'm gonna do that instead. So we're gonna take the I mean I know what palette I used. Actually, I'm just ignorant. We're gonna take the Artistry palette from Morphe.com. Use code Gordon for 10% off. And I'm going to go into M505, a big fluffy brush. And I'm going to put down an orange, a bright orange, in the middle of my face. I didn't prime my eyes. Dang it! I always forget to prime my eyes. Oh wait, I primed them in the earlier video. I'm so stupid. Okay, wait. People keep stopping in front of my house. It's so weird. Like, hello, what do you want? Oh my gosh, they're probably here to see me. They heard that I was making a new video today, and they were like, freaking finally, he's back. So this was not supposed to, this is supposed to look like a fire cut crease or whatever. Or I think it was a halo eye actually, in the original video. And then someone told me I look like a peach ring, and I was like, I'm kind of living for that. And then take I think it's a 570 from Morphe into a deep red, a deep matte red. The reason I do that is to make sure that the eyeshadow is even on both sides. Looking good, feeling gorgeous so far. So I'm gonna take an M514 into a neon pink. Put that on the edges. That is very pigmented. I don't know if I've ever used this shade before. Okay. Going in with a 4233. 433. Apparently I can't read. Taking the yellow and putting that above what's already there. Just to kind of create that illusion. That looks so good. I'm actually going to take that pink and just throw it under the lash line. Well, I'm going to put it on the edges of the lash line and then put yellow in the middle. This is giving me everything I wanted in my life. I'm going to go into the NYX Jumbo Milk Pencil in the shade Milk. No, I'm just gonna do it with my finger. Don't do this at home, kids. I love that. It's so freaking good. Does anyone even do liner anymore? I mean, like, is that even a thing? I don't know, but let's try it. I'm gonna go in with a red on a bullet pencil brush, the M321. Okay, yeah, that did not work out very well, but am I giving you a fantasy? Okay, go off, I guess. I wanted... See, the main staple of that look before was the brow, which was really powerful. And, like, ew. But I don't think I want to risk it on this look, you know? Because I had, like, brows to go off of that day. But... maybe so. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with some... some roller lash from Benefit Cosmetics. Okay, so speaking of Benefit Cosmetics, I have a friend who works at Ulta Beauty who is one of the brow experts there. So leave a comment if you want her to be on my channel and do my eyebrows. Okay, and now for the plot twist of the century. I'm gonna go in with Kiss Lashes in the style Brazier. I'm doing like an intermittent, or what do you call it? I think it's called intermittent fasting. So I can't eat until 1 o'clock. I only eat between 1 and 9 p.m. So it will help me lose some sister weight. But that is very difficult. Because sometimes I work until 1 o'clock in the morning and I don't wake up until noon. So then I'm like, oh, okay, great. So I only have like an hour to wait until I can eat. But sometimes I work until 8:30 at night and then I get home and I can eat then, but I can't eat until 1 the next day. So I wake up at 9, 10, 11, and then I can't eat, you know. It's kind of sad. Donate to my GoFundMe and to my OnlyFans. I love that. I'm so good at this. I did miss a few. The lines are not clear, so I'm gonna go in here and... Okay, that did not work, but other than that, we're doing great, sweeties. I'm gonna take some Bad Gal from Benefit. Okay. I think this glossy lip is like everything with this eye look. I'm glad. This is so good. I popped off Mama the Housebound boots. So. My eyes look gigantic. I love that for me. So, thanks for watching this peach ring realness tutorial, Mama House Down. And subscribe to my channel. Thank you.